Hi guys, Samira here. Welcome back to my channel. On the occasion of Raksha Bandhan, in today's video we'll see how to make this peacock inspired Rakhi made out of silk thread. Now making of this type of Rakhi is similar to that of a pom-pom. For this you'll be needing a thick cardboard or any sort of card. The width of the card determines the size of your Rakhi. Since we are making multicolor Rakhi, I'm alternating between two colors of silk thread that are the colors of a peacock. One is turquoise blue and one is the deep blue. You have to wind the silk thread around the card for 100 times each. The card I'm using here is my metro card. Using a thread and a needle, tie a knot in the middle of these windings that you have done, because when you remove the thread later, it will become easier for you to make a knot in the middle. Otherwise, it will turn you into a great mess and you'll end up throwing it in the dustbin. Carefully remove the windings and make a tight knot in the middle using the leftover thread. Now is the fun part. Now just cut the ends of the thread on either side using a scissors. Now we have to focus on two major things to make the Rakhi fluffy and also symmetric. First, fold the Rakhi like I'm doing here, and using some fabric glue, stick both of the sides. Once that is done, make your Rakhi look circular by trimming the excess of threads. With the help of a toothbrush or a comb, just comb the threads so that they look even and more polished. Now we are going to make the center part of the Rakhi. For that I'm using a piece of buckram. You can also use a thick piece of paper or fabric here, but I'm using buckram because I had it nearby. I put a kundan or a stone in the middle, and using a ball chain I just went over twice around the kundan. Now let's proceed to the next step. For this you'll be needing dark chocolate. I'm just kidding. You can use any long piece of cardboard, and just like we did before, you'll have to wind the thread around the long piece of cardboard. This is to make the thread of the Rakhi. Make knots on either side of these bunch of threads. Now I've made 3 pairs of these threads by alternating the colors. Now if you wish to, you can braid these 3 sets of threads by placing a heavy object on one end and just doing a normal braid like you braid your hair. Otherwise, you can join all the 3 sets and make a knot at either end, and then you can apply fabric glue at equal intervals and stick at those points. Join the Rakhi to the thread using fabric glue and leave it to dry for some time. And cut the piece of ornamental decoration that you did before, and oops, it fell down. Luckily nothing happened, but please don't make such accidents while you're doing these things. And that's it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you surprised your brother by making a Rakhi of your own for this Raksha Bandhan and for the others to come by. I wish you all a very happy Raksha Bandhan. Let me know what you think about the video in the comments down below, and do join the Facebook group. The link is in the description box below. Alright, I'll see you guys very soon. Bye bye.